Hi, my name is Brad Smith. I'm an attorney with the law firm of Campbell and Associates. I'm board certified in the area of workers' compensation law in the state of North Carolina. I wanted to address today a common question and perhaps a misconception that is had by most when it comes to workers' compensation law. The first misconception is that you can receive pain and suffering for your injury in workers' comp. Unfortunately, you cannot. Workers' comp is a limited recovery system. There are just a handful of things that the insurance company is required to pay for under the statute once you suffer an injury. These things can basically be broken down into two categories. One's called indemnity compensation, which covers weekly benefits while you're out of work as a result of your injury, and also something called permanent partial disability, which is going to be based upon an impairment rating that a doctor will assign you at the end of your treatment. The other category of benefits that you receive under workers' compensation law is payment for your medical treatment. That is obviously treatment that you receive from the date of your injury up until the date you're placed at maximum medical improvement and released by the doctor. And thereafter, if the doctor continues to prescribe treatment for you to keep you at what's called maximum medical improvement. Beyond those things, workers' comp is not responsible to pay for anything else. Now, I would agree with most that this is not fair. However, like I said, workers' comp is a limited recovery system, and that's the hand we've been dealt, and that's what we have to work with. Now, the other question or misconception is, does negligence matter in a workers' compensation case? And no, negligence does not matter. It doesn't matter if your employer's at fault for causing your injury. You're still entitled to the same benefits. You don't get any more money because it was the employer's fault for causing your injury. Now, conversely, if it's your fault, 100% your fault, I mean, you should have known better than to touch that lever and end up hurting yourself. Well, that doesn't matter either. Your injury is still covered under workers' comp. Again, there's some common misconceptions that people have with workers' comp. We here at Campbell and Associates are here to answer your questions and address these misconceptions you or your family members may have about what they're entitled to under workers' comp, and to let you know what you are entitled to receive so you can make an informed decision going forward. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Give us a call. Thanks.